You've probably seen these flashy PNL cards on Twitter, but how do they actually do it? Every YouTuber is telling you the same things: Twitter tracker, alpha group, and 10 hours of trading a day. Sure, it might work for some people, but it's really inefficient. The market is shifting, so should you. At the end of the video, I will be sharing a way that allows you to get into the most popular alpha groups for only 1 Solana. I will be showing you a 5-step guide on how to consistently make money off the Memecoin market. I'm gatekeeping nothing. Let's start with the basics. Skip to the time frame shown on screen if you already know the basics. Best wallet, Phantom wallet, best trading platform. Padre. Where to buy crypto, Coinbase, or Binance? Do I need a Twitter tracker? Not necessarily, but can give you an advantage. Should I join a paid group for $100 a week? No. Should I copy trade? No. What wallets to track? Go on Colskin.io and copy every wallet there. Cupsey's wallet is in the description. How much should I start with? 1 to 2 Solana is enough. Now let's move on to the actual strategy. Load up Padre through the link in my description for 35% off your fees. Now watch carefully and copy my settings. Perfect. Now our trading setup is completed. Feel free to customize yours. It's time to learn how to catch good coins early. Quick tip: if you're new, then don't try to enter fast-paced tweets unless you're sure the narrative is good enough for the coin to not nuke in the next 60 minutes. Here are 2 examples. Elon recently tweeted a popular meme with a cigarette in its mouth, and the coin peaked at around 2 million market cap. Even 12 hours later, it was sitting at 1 million. Here's another tweet from him. The coin went to 30K market cap, and after a few minutes, it was back at 0. Why is this happening? There's a difference between tweets. The market will gladly buy a meme posted by Elon rather than a random tweet that isn't connected to meme coins at all. You need to separate the bad tweets from good ones. Since every one of his tweets gets tokenized, a good way to learn is going through his tweets and checking the corresponding meme coins, which ones went high and which ones didn't. Community coins have been popular for weeks in the market. Identifying good community coins is crucial. These are the factors I check when I buy into a community coin. Has it been made before? What is the narrative? Something funny or viral? Who is the creator of the community? Has the creator previously rugged coins? And lastly, the distribution of tokens. If one trader holds 10% of the token, it might be better to stay away, as him selling his tokens at once would affect the chart a lot. Few examples of good community coins are Titcoin, a coin that's currently sitting at just over 12 million market cap, and Chill House at 10 million. Okay, we've talked about how to find good coins. Now it's time to filter out the bad ones. Navigate over to Padre and apply the filters shown on screen. These filters block out a lot of noise, giving you more time to focus on coins with potential. Picture on the left is for the almost bonded section. Picture on the right is for recently bonded. At the beginning of the video, I told you there's a way to get into the most popular alpha groups for only a Solana. A program called Coterie mirrors over 13 paid groups and streams them straight into your Discord or browser, whichever you prefer. Coterie allows you to set filters for coins. For example, if you'd only want to see coins that have been called by 3 different groups in the last 5 minutes, you can. Coterie also has a built-in wallet finder, caller statistic panel, and countless of other features. Full list of the paid alpha groups is on screen. Link for Coterie is in the description. That's it for today's video. In the next video, I will be talking about creating coins and how developers can make money without selling their tokens.